Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Curtis. Thank you for joining me. And today, right, Micron has had a huge run today. I needed to share Micron. I know I've had a few videos on Micron already, but today was a big day. So I felt the need to share with you all what's going on in the news. I've got some articles pulled up. I'm going to show you guys how the chart looks like on Yahoo Finance as well. I mean, how much they have gapped up today, and share some insights with you guys on some of these things that are happening with Micron, why they are climbing up so much. So first things first, right? We got the chart up right here. I've got the 1 year view right now, and of course, last year they were at about $100, $100, right? I mean, they're up at $1,200 today already. So hey, that's pretty massive. Went times 12. That's pretty darn good. And if you take a look right here, 5 days out, okay. I mean, darn, they were at a low of about $1,000, 1,023 ish, and now today they closed at 1211. So run up of a couple $100 in just a few days, and they're on a good momentum run right now. With let's take a look at their volume. Right, their volume is roughly about 47 million, and that's when you we'll do a video on momentum trading in one of these days, okay? But that's one thing that you should keep an eye out on too if you want to see what stocks got momentum. Something I definitely look into for stocks that I like to trade regularly. So 1 day outlook, right? They opened up roughly at about I don't know, what is this? Maybe 1160-ish, and again closed at 1211, up $77, 6%. They were already climbing up after, pre-market. So they were already on a pretty good run since last Friday close. And that's why, I was keeping an eye on Micron. In fact, I made a video on what you should keep an eye out for if you're looking to either sell your Micron shares or if you're looking to buy Micron shares, okay? Different forces that you must be aware of. I've got a video on it, a real good length and a real thorough video that you must watch. I'll go ahead and put it up here or here somewhere after this video, or you can take a look into my videos section as well, okay? So Micron, pretty darn good, jumped $77 today. First article I've got for you all, bar chart here. And what's going to catch your eyes more than this right here? Micron, MU stock rises as Micron teams up with Anthropic on AI infrastructure. Wow. Wow. If that does not say enough, and in my opinion, Anthropic is now better than OpenAI. That's my opinion, okay? And I hold strongly to that. What's more of a catalyst going into the earnings call on Wednesday than to team up with Anthropic right now? So, anyways, Micron extended gains June 22nd after announcing a strategic partnership with Anthropic aimed at co-designing and securing hardware infrastructure for massive AI workloads. As investors cheered the Anthropic news, MU Micron's relative strength index RSI looks poised to climb into the early 70s, indicating overbought conditions that often trigger a sell-off. And that's one thing. The RSI is definitely one factor that you should keep an eye out on if you're not already with, to see how overbought these stocks are. Okay, and again, like the I'll try to make a video on that as well to kind of help you guys out if you're not too familiar with the RSI or the moving averages, etc. Technical indicators are definitely good to know. I mean, they don't predict, but they're good signals. Okay, so right here, does the Anthropic deal warrant buying Micron stock? The landmark agreement with Anthropic is highly bullish for MU shares because it reinforces the chip maker's role at the bedrock of next generation artificial intelligence infrastructure. Under multi-year deal, Micron is making a strategic investment in Anthropic's Series H funding round while simultaneously locking in a massive commitment to supply high performance memory and storage architecture. Wow. You know what that tells me? That tells me that Anthropic sees Micron as a strategic partner that they absolutely must have. Okay? That memory is the future. And that's why they had to make this deal with Micron. Okay, they had to be one of Micron's largest partners if they were going to fulfill their ambitions to be the leader in AI. All right, so that's my thoughts on that. At least that's my opinion. Okay, next article here. Micron earnings sees rising 987% amid AI megatrend. Wall Street analysts expects memory chip Micron to post blowout results for fiscal third quarter late Wednesday. Micron is let's see here. Micron is trading in record high territory as the company benefits from insatiable demand from AI data centers. Analysts expects the Boise, Idaho-based company to earn an adjusted $20.76 a share on sales of $35.75 billion, according to FactSet. That would translate to year-over-year growth of 987% in earnings and 284% in revenue. Micron is on pace to post its sixth consecutive quarter of triple-digit percentage gains in earnings. Analysts sees such gains continuing for 3 more quarters. Wow. Okay. They see explosive gains for 3 more quarters. Okay. It's going to continue to grow. And I mean, darn, all the great news with Anthropic hasn't even been priced in yet. Is that not amazing? And then right here, right, one of their largest partners, Apple. Okay, Apple, one of the Mag 7s, a leader in technology in the world. Okay, Tim Cook warns Apple products price hikes are unavoidable due to higher chip costs. What that means for the Apple stock. Now, in this skit that I've got for you all, this video, right? I mean, we can really care less about Apple and their stock right now, but okay, this has to do with Micron. Okay, he announced that price hikes on Apple products are coming, and there's no simple way around it. They're talking about memory here. There's no way to get around memory. That's what they're talking about. Okay, why is Apple forced to hike price products? The root of the problem is a global shortage of memory chips. Shortage of memory chips. The components known as DRAM memory and NAND storage are inside nearly every computing device sold today. The issue is that artificial intelligence data centers have been consulting or consuming these chips at an accelerated pace. Okay, and on top of that, okay, they've got the darn. I mean, they've got leverage on pricing. I'm talking about the memory chip companies like Micron. Okay, they have the leverage on who they're selling these products to, and that's exactly why Anthropic wants to partner up with them, because they have to ensure that they have what they need to build out their AI infrastructure. Okay, last article that I've got for you all. Okay, and then I'm going to share with you guys at the end. Okay, some of my take that I've jotted, some of my notes that I had jotted down here. Okay, so Micron stock, okay, heads for let's see here. Micron stock heads for record closing high following supply deal with Anthropic. All right. So we've got a few key points right here. Micron Technology secured a memory and storage supply deal with startup Anthropic, boosting its share. That's what happened today with the catalyst. Memory chip demands for AI hardware is booming, with 2026 high bandwidth memory prices projected to increase 20 to 30%. Wow. Okay. It's getting more and more expensive. Okay. Chinese chip makers are expanding production, with Yangtze Memory Technologies doubling capacity by late 2027, potentially softening DRAM prices around 2028. Sure, yeah, I mean, they're doing all that because, ultimately, the AI build out is so large. But the one thing with Micron, you have to remember, okay, they have the backing of the United States government. Okay, they're here in America, where we have the largest, fastest growing AI infrastructure right now. And of course, they're not really allowing American companies to use these Chinese memory and stuff like that as well. So there's a lot of things going for Micron. I just wanted you to be aware of that. Okay, so pretty cool stuff with Micron. Okay, extraordinary news in my opinion, right? Just to team up with Anthropic, that's big time right there. Now, I jotted a few different things. Okay, I've got 5 quick things for you all with Micron and why I think that what they get from the Anthropic deal and why it's big. Okay, so first off, number one, Micron, they get a multi-year deal to sell a lot of its memory chips to Anthropic. Okay, that's going to make their money more predictable and less risky. Next up, they're going to sell more of their highest profit memory chips called the HBM, right? The high bandwidth memory. These chips make more money per sale than regular memory chips. Why that matters, right? It helps Micron makes bigger profit over time. And that's one thing with these, with the stigma that they've got, the cyclical memory company, right? Is that, I mean, how long is this going to last, right? This is going to help Micron make their profits bigger over time. Okay, Micron also, number three, Micron gets to work with Anthropic to design special memory for AI computers. Wow, this turns them practically from just a seller into a real AI partner, not just for Anthropic, but I mean in the future as well for potentially other companies that they end up working with. Right, partners are harder to replace, so Micron becomes more important to this big AI world and all the AI companies out there. Now, number four, working together on these designs give Micron early information about what the artificial intelligence companies and their infrastructure needs next. Okay, that's going to give them the head start, and they're going to be ahead of the curve to say, right, as far as their memory technology. That's what they need. And then lastly, okay, number five, I'm going to wrap up this, and thank you all for watching and sticking around here for my points. Micron gets to own a small piece of Anthropic and will use Anthropic's AI tools inside their own companies. Is that not massive, right? And why does that matter? Let me tell you why that matters, okay? Because owning a part of a fast-growing AI company can make extra money for their company. And using their tools is going to help Micron work faster and smarter. And I'm telling you guys, in my opinion, Anthropic is the best right now. Okay, although I do like Grok a lot. Okay, I'll say that much. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Okay, keep an eye out on the Micron earnings call on Wednesday, June 24th. I wish you all luck. Right, just be mindful. If you want to know what you've got to do, if you own the stock or you want to buy Micron shares, watch my video. I'm going to put it right here somewhere that gives you an idea of what to look out for. Okay, thanks everybody. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Curtis, and you know what? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you like this video, click that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, hey, drop it into the comment. Tell me that, hey, Curtis, thank you. I like that video very much. And I will respond thank you back as well. Okay, hey, thank you, everybody. And make it a great day. Make it a great week.